Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Google Play Store and tapping your profile icon. This takes you directly to account controls. Once done, choose Play Protect to reveal the verification options. Make sure your device is unlocked and you have admin access because you will change system-level scanning. I'll show you why disabling scanning stops automatic verification prompts. It's a deliberate trade-off between convenience and security, so pause if you want to back up settings before proceeding. Now you'll change the core toggles. Tap the gear icon or three-dot menu inside Play Protect to open its settings. This reveals the Scan Apps with Play Protect option. Turn that main toggle off and accept any confirmation dialogues. This immediately stops automatic verification scans. If your device shows Improve Harmful App Detection, toggle that off too to prevent background uploads. Once done, the Play Store will stop warning about unverified installs, which speeds installs but reduces automatic threat checks. Finish by restarting your device so the Play Store and Play Protect services fully apply the new settings. This ensures no residual prompts. If verification messages still appear, go to Settings right arrow Apps right arrow Google Play Store and clear cache, then data, and reboot again. Make sure to monitor new app behavior closely. If you see anything suspicious, re-enable the scanning toggles immediately to restore protections. That single troubleshooting tip, clear cache/data and reboot, fixes most lingering verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.